So you hit your 40s and all of a sudden you disappear. You disappear at work and at parties in the dating world, and it's sort of like you're just blending in. But the worst part is you start to believe that's just the way things are. But what if I told you there's one simple thing you can do to be seen again? And no, it isn't plastic surgery or a sports car, it's your style. What happens to a lot of us over 40 is we get comfortable with our routines. So maybe you've built a career, you've of course got a family, or maybe you just live a quiet life by yourself. But here's the thing that we all need to watch out for. Comfort can easily turn into complacency and laziness. You forget all about style and you just start dressing to get through that day. Sound familiar? And of course, I totally get it, right? But let's be real about this. How you dress is either showing the world who you are, or it's camouflage for the man that you used to be way back when you peaked in like high school or college. And of course, there's a whole lot of reasons why people stop caring about style. And one of those, of course, is mindset. We tell ourselves that style is for younger guys, or I'm not trying to impress people. I don't want to peacock, or I'm too mature for all that fashion stuff. Another reason is basically confusion. Maybe you're not quite sure what to do because everything's different now compared to when you were in your 20s. And of course, you don't want to look like you're trying too hard, but you also don't want to look like you've given up. So a lot of guys just sort of freeze and don't do anything. They don't participate in life and they just default to whatever is comfortable and easy. But the reality is that style is your visual handshake. Before you say a word, your clothes have already introduced you. They've told people how you see yourself, how you treat yourself, and whether or not you demand respect or hope just to not be noticed. But the truth is this: when a man is well put together, people assume other parts of his life are also put together. He gets better service, more professional credibility, and yes, more romantic attention. And there's a whole lot of things you can do to improve and upgrade your style, and I will get into some specific items a little bit later, but here's a little trick that I use to help my shirts always look good. This right here is the slick collar. Now this is a flexible piece of plastic with silicone tabs sort of on the end. So basically, you pop your collar up, you put this around the back of your neck and then flip your collar back down. And because of this design, this helps keep your collar and your placket looking good all day long. Because that's one of the main downsides of dress shirts, if you've got a few buttons undone, is that this upper placket area right here doesn't really have any support, and it always looks kind of weird and floppy. The slick collar fixes that problem without having to cut open your shirts or sew or modify anything. You buy this once and swap it from shirt to shirt. It's simple, and after like 8 seconds, you totally forget you even have it on because it's that comfortable. You will get all 3 different sizes with all new premium packaging, and these are fully adjustable to fit your neck. So you'll get the regular size like this one that's good for most shirt collars. You also get a little slim one that's good for polos and some thinner collared shirts. And you also get the athletic size that's good for larger shirt collars and larger neck sizes. You also get 10 premium collar stays, so you will always have some spares on hand. And another bonus is it comes in this all new premium storage box that's offered in black or white. Both of these are perfect for not only storing your slick collars, but also for sort of hanging on to some of your other accessories like maybe watches, rings, or bracelets. Now, personally, I think these things are fantastic, and I know a lot of you do as well because I get messages from you telling me how much you guys love these. There is going to be a special link down below in the description. And I really do encourage you guys to go check this out and pick some of these up for yourself because for the price, it's a complete no-brainer. Grab one of these collar kits and enjoy having the perfect shirt collar look at all times. Thank you, Slick Collar, for supporting my channel and for sponsoring today's video. Now let me touch on something else. There is a lot of psychology behind style, and there's this idea that what you wear affects how you think, how you feel, and also how you perform. So let me talk about some real world impact. That promotion at work, that first impression, that second date. Style plays a part in all of that. Once you're in your 40s, people start assuming that you know who you are and they don't really expect you to change. But when you dress with intention, you disrupt the whole thing. You remind people and yourself that you're still in the game. Maybe you're a single dude and you're getting frustrated with dating. Maybe you've reached this plateau at work. Maybe you're just bored with yourself. You would be amazed at what happens when you upgrade your wardrobe. People treat you differently because they see you differently. Okay, so where do you start first? First things first, clean out the clutter. Go shopping and actually try things on to figure out what fits and what flatters you. Dark wash denim that fits well. Flat front chinos in neutral earth tone colors. Tailored button-up shirts. Leather loafers or boots. Classic white minimal leather sneakers. Think classic, clean, and think confident. Go with a simple analog watch and no more giant logos. Let's get practical for just a second. Think about style as opportunity. And I mean real opportunity, because now you're dressing better. You look better than most other guys. You get that second glance. People are trying to figure you out because you look important. You make better first impressions. You get the job offer. That woman says yes to giving you her phone number. All of these things matter. And look, even though this sounds unfair, when you're an older gentleman, over 40 or even over 50, people will form conclusions about you pretty quickly. And as soon as you walk into a room, they'll assume that you're either established or irrelevant. And what they see helps them decide that. So 2 guys walk in. One is dressed sharp, the other one not so much. Which guy gets taken seriously? Which guy gets offered the consulting gig or the collaboration or that second date? Sure, I know, it seems unfair, but is it really? Style is one of those critical shortcuts. It tells people if you care. It tells them whether or not you respect the moment or whether or not you respect yourself. Here is something else. Style isn't superficial, it's strategic. And once you're over 40, it just might be the difference between fading out or finally standing out in the right way. You still have time and you still have presence, but you've got to show up for it, and that's up to you. And showing up starts with what you put on your body every single day. And gentlemen, if you enjoyed this one, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit the like button for the algorithm, and please consider subscribing if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching. Live well, and I'll see you in the next one.